and welcome back to Totally Awesome Barbecue. Today I'm going to be doing some meatballs on the Weber. I'm going to be smoking them on there, and we're going to be finishing them off in the kitchen with some Dolmio Bolognese sauce, and I've got some fusilli twisty heart pasta because I'm not a big fan of spaghetti. And yeah, these are from Tesco. Yes, it kind of feels like I'm sponsored by them, but I'm not. It just happens to be my local supermarket. I've got 2 packs of the 24 packs, which means I've got 48, and these are really nice. I've never had any problems with them. They've got enough fat in them and everything. They come out quite juicy. So yeah, let's get them on there and make some meatballs. Right. Down there, chuck them in, real great. Get the lid on for it to warm up. So yeah, as I said, I've never done it before on the barbecue, but I thought myself, let's give it a smoky flavour before putting it in the sauce, and I just want to see if afterwards that smoky flavour will get into the sauce as well. Probably not, but you know, got to try these things, haven't you? Right, that's warmed up. Let's give it a bit of a clean. Get these meatballs on. Get a chunk of whiskey wood on there. Stick the lid on and let them smoke for about 20 minutes. Let's have a look inside. Whoa! Damn, they look good. They're proper smoked. Oh, look at those. Smoked to perfection. What I'm going to do, I'm going to leave one out because I want to cut it in half and see what it looks like and give it a taste before putting it in the sauce. Yeah, but all the rest will get in there. Right. Had the sauce simmering. I also put some garlic powder in there as well. Give it a bit of a garlicky taste. There we go, got one of them that's just cooled down a bit. Oh, they've got a little bit of a smoke ring. Let's give them a taste test. There we go, I'll show you again. A little bit of a smoke ring. You know what? To me, it just tastes like little mini burgers. You can definitely taste the smoke on it. I'll tell you what, I wouldn't mind trying and see if with these meatballs, when they're fresh, making smash burgers out of them. I bet they've got just the right size. Yeah. As they are, still nice and moist, got a little bit of a smoky taste, but just like with the sauce. And there it is. A little bit of mixed cheese on top, grated, and garlic bread. Let's give it a taste test. Lovely. Oh. Perfect. Gorgeous. I love it. Yeah, give it a go yourself. Smoke it on the barbecue and then stick it in the sauce and everything. Add a little bit of garlic in it if you want, or you could add a rub to it. I didn't add a rub to it, but I could give that a go next time. Yeah, if you like this video, please give it a like, consider subscribing, hit the notification bell and let you know when I upload the next video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.